Teams heating up at just the right time collide when the Toronto Raptors visit the New York Knicks in an NBA Eastern Conference matchup on Saturday. For further discussion, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any video. The Raptors, who are 6-4 in their last 10 games, have won 9 of their last 10 meetings against the Knicks, including 9 straight in games played at New York. The Knicks, who have won 8 in a row, are 21-17 against Eastern Conference foes this year. The teams have split the first 2 meetings of the season. The game from Madison Square Garden in New York is scheduled for 1 p.m. The Raptors are averaging 112 points per game, while the Knicks average 106.7. The latest Raptor vs Knicks odds from William Hill Sportsbook list this game as a pick'em down from New York opening at 3.5. The over-under for total points scored is set at 213.5. The Sportsline projection model simulates every NBA game 10,000 times and it has returned over $9,200 in profit on its top-rated NBA picks over the past 2+ seasons. The model is up over $1,200 on its top-rated picks this season. And dating back to last year, it entered week 18 of the 2020 and 21 NBA schedule on a stunning 96-60 roll on top-rated NBA picks against the spread. Anybody who has followed it has seen huge returns. Now, why the Knicks can cover? Despite being short-handed with a number of players sidelined, including shooting guard Alec Burks, center Mitchell Robinson, and power forward John Henson, the Knicks have been on a roll. New York has not lost since April 7 at Boston and have been paced by a number of players who have stepped up when needed. One of those is veteran point guard Derrick Rose, who has reached double figures in each of the last 10 games, including a 20 points performance on Wednesday in an overtime win over Atlanta. For the season, Rose is averaging 13.3 points, 3.9 assists and 2.4 rebounds, primarily off the bench. Also powering the Knicks is forward Reggie Bullock, who has started 52 of 53 games this season. He is averaging 10.2 points, 3.4 rebounds, 1.5 blocks and 1.5 assists per game. Against Atlanta, he chipped in 18 points while adding 4 assists, 3 rebounds and 1 steal. He has 27 games this season in which he has scored 10 or more points, with the Knicks going 21-6 in those. He is an 89.2% free throw shooter. Now, why the Raptors can cover? Despite that New York isn't a lock to cover the Raptors vs Knicks spread, that's because Toronto has also been playing well of late, including a 114-103 victory over top-seeded Brooklyn on Wednesday. Power forward Pascal scored a team-high 27 points on 10 of 19 shooting, including 2 of 5 from 3 points range against the Nets. He also grabbed 9 rebounds and dished out 6 assists. He is tied for the team lead with 11 double-doubles. In 47 games, All-Stars Pascal is averaging 20.9 points, 7.2 rebounds, 4.7 assists and 1.1 steals per game. Also powering the Raptors offense is Fred Van, who has missed 8 of his last 10 games, including 7 due to strained left hip flexor against Brooklyn. Wayne scored 17 points on 5 of 13 shooting, including 5 of 10 from 3-point range, grabbed 3 rebounds and added 5 assists. He leads Toronto with a career-high 152.3 pointers made this season. He is connecting on 36.9% of his shoots this year. For the season, he is averaging 19.4 points, 6.1 assists, 4.1 rebounds and 1.7 steals per game. So that's it in this video. Raptors vs Knicks, who will win? You must tell us in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe the channel and leave a like on this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.